Alex, say hello.
What's up, dog?
So we're working on a 94, right?
94 GT Mustang.
94 GT Mustang. Swapped the carburetor. So it's time to fire this thing up. So we're hooking up fuel lines, hooking power up to the distributor, and away we go.
Well, Steve just got here. I'm trying to screw it on there. I'm trying not to cross the road, man. Give me a second.
Okay.
This guy that owns a Camaro that I'm working on.
I'll call you right back, man. I'm gonna call you right back.
Okay, bye.
Got me over here doing some wiring. Very excited. Alex, what'd you do to this motor?
I put an intake on it. I put a cam. I got an E-cam in here from Summit. New water pump, new timing chain. New oil pump, hardened input shaft. New clutch, pressure plate.
Training.
I got the T5 upgrade from the which is a world class. I got a bigger yoke on it for the aluminum drive shaft because it wasn't buttoned up from going from a T5 to the world class. It just wasn't matching up. So I got that hooked up. I got new spark plug wires. Took all the emission shit off. The car was very jerry-rigged. The wires were hacked up. The guy had nitrous to it. And I took all that crap off because of my son. His first car. He blew the transmission first week he had it. He says, "Dad, I hit a bump." I said, and I got no forward gears. I said, "What you mean you got no forward gears?" He goes, "Yeah, Dad. 2 o'clock in the morning I get the call." So I go check the car out. I said, "Son, why are the tires bald?" So he was somewhere doing donuts. I did some investigation, you know, some CSI, and found out he was doing donuts. And when we first got the car wasn't going into second very well. I needed new synchronizers. And I kept telling him that I need to go through the car. He was just so anxious to drive the car. And he was just being like his dad. He heard all the stories. I used to go do donuts and hang out with my buddies and work on cars. And he did what his dad did. Went out there, did some donuts, and I guess he missed a gear. And then I found out he went from third to first in the transmission, and I didn't like it too much. So he just toasted the transmission.
We're gonna get this thing fired up. So we'll be back.